I am switching. Oh my goodness. Alright, we made it back. Turn on monetization. Friggin' garbage internet, man. Thing is cutting off. Can't even fucking live stream. So now I gotta go on my friggin' thing over there. We gotta find the new link. Wait for people to join again. Don't worry, we're coming back, we're coming back. We're coming back, we're coming back. Yeah, dude, I really need to switch to Bell 5, man. I don't know what it is about this freaking internet here. It works quite well most of the time, but as soon as I put on a live stream, I feel like it's make it or break it type of shit, you know? Make it or break it, baby. Make it or break it, guys. So let's pray to the internet gods that the stream stays on this time, alright? Baba. Let's do it, Kelvin. Another one of these thinly traded stocks here. China stocks. That's not the one I wanted. It was this. Okay. Daily chart. I mean, it looks pretty bearish except for the last day here. I mean, yeah, sorry about that, Dave. My internet sucks. So what I can see on this chart is that this is the supply zone on the daily chart. I mean, we've had what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row just gapping down and closing lower. So someone's selling it. Internet Kami-sama. Yeah. So I mean today they were buying it. It looks like they bought the dip. It looks like someone bought it down here. You got a cheaper price. Around 200, 202. Let's zoom in and look at these intraday time frames here. So the thing gapped down yesterday, sold off, stayed in a trading range all day this morning, gapped up. Or this morning, I guess, look at this trading activity. I don't know if this is like proper data or whatnot, but you can see that it tested that thing and then came back into the range. So I imagine any traders who had sell stops in this range here just got taken out on this and then it came back. I don't know. You let me know if that's realistic or not. Anyhow, today's trading session looks like we're trending up on the 30-minute time frame here. So I mean, looks like this is bullish right now. The current supply zone is right there at 206.63, give or take. So you can see we're consolidating right now, but the volume's dropping off here, so that's consolidation. So, yep, that's how I see it. It's bullish from, let's see if I can get a good area here. Not really much information to work with. That's one thing I noticed about stocks in general is there's less clarity in the charts because you can't see what went on overnight. So that's kind of part of the reason why I don't really trade them. But it looks like it should be around here. So give or take this 203 handle. So it's bullish above 203 15-minute time frame. And it currently is supplied from 206.5. That's what I see right now. Alright. Internet Kami-sama. I don't know what that means. Hey, thanks for doing this. Are you able to explain a little bit about your thought process when using multi-time frames to enter for day trading? Thank you. Well, honestly, it really depends on what you're trying to do, man. You know, the way I trade in scalping, the way I scalp the futures is, honestly, I would even argue you don't really need to really see what's going on in the daily time frame. You just really need one bigger context chart, like a 15-minute or 30-minute, 15-minute, just to see kind of going on, or if there's any battle zones nearby. You need to understand some big context, and that's about it. And then the rest you literally look at. What I look at is the DOM. Basically, I just look at exactly what I'm seeing on the DOM and the tape to determine where I should be trading. So the most recent information is what I definitely give precedence to when it comes to trading. I don't look at charts when it comes to my scalping or day trading and stuff. I just use the charts for context. It's looking like a reversal. Yeah. Also, how do you know when volume drops off it is not a reversal but consolidation? Okay, so that's a great question. Actually, that is a fantastic question. And what normally happens, and this is really depends on a lot of factors, but sometimes it could be quite hard to determine the difference between the two. And but in this case, because it's a 15-minute chart, it looks like this for me is the zone that it needs to get back above if you expect this trend to continue going higher. But right now, that is our current supply zone. That's our current resistance, in the sense that profit takers took control of the market from this point. So from this point on, the bears took control of the market in the short term. All right. Larger perspective, it's still bullish, but in the short term, it's consolidating. So the mistake that traders will make is that they will try and buy it here for a short term, but in reality, the short term is that it's going down here on a 15-minute chart. If you'd be buying it here, you'd be buying it with a larger perspective view, most probably. So that's how I would see it. Can you guys hear stuff all right? Is the music too loud, too soft? I can lower it a little. It's not a big deal. Kami-sama means God in Japan. Cool, man. I didn't know that. We need more people to view it. Should I advertise on Instagram? Nah, I don't do that kind of stuff. Looking at the dollar daily chart here. There's something I can see. There's something else I can see right there. A couple of levels that we're in right now, trading range. As well as here, you can see our resistance lines up here. Actually, I like that 12-hour resistance. Look how it bounced right off of it right there on that 12-hour candle. I love seeing that. I love seeing that. No, let me hog all the questions. Yeah, for sure. It's true. We don't need more people. You're right. You are absolutely right, sir. That's where the dollar is right now. I kind of like it. I like seeing the dollar pump up. I don't know. Cash is king, baby.